Not all vehicles come with extra toggle switches for when you want to add auxiliary lights. That's where this 8-button switch panel from Raceport will solve all your problems. This universal auxiliary light switch panel from Raceport is a great addition to your build. When adding new bumpers or mounts, you're gonna need some new lights. This switch panel gives you control of over up to 8 different lights, so you can light up the trail late into the night. The ultra slim design lets you place the panel just about anywhere you want without it getting in the way. This switch panel doesn't just look great, it's functional too. Also on the face of the panel are 8 blue indigo LED lit buttons. They're bright too. This will help you see what light you're turning on at night. Raceport has included a logo sheet to customize the switch panel to whatever light you want to connect with each button. And no worry about power, you can operate up to 30 amp auxiliary lights on this switch panel. If you're interested in this 8-button switch panel from Raceport or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.